In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Slack notifications not working, step by step, so you never miss an important message again. If your Slack notifications have suddenly stopped showing up, are delayed, or only work sometimes, this quick fix can save you a lot of frustration. This is a common issue for both desktop and web users, and the solution is usually hidden in your notification preferences. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you find it helpful, because we post simple software fixes like this all the time. All right, let's get started. First, open Slack and make sure you're logged in to the correct workspace where notifications are not working. Once Slack is open, go to any channel or your main workspace view. It doesn't matter which channel you're in, as long as you're inside the Slack app. This step ensures that we're changing the correct settings for the right workspace, especially if you're part of multiple Slack workspaces. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the Slack window. Here, you'll see your profile icon or workspace icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens up a small menu with several account and workspace options. Many users miss this step because notification settings are not in the main chat area, but hidden inside Preferences. After clicking your profile icon, find and click on Preferences. This will open a new settings window where Slack stores all your personal configuration options. Give it a second to load fully. Once you're inside Preferences, you'll see multiple sections on the left-hand side, such as Notifications, Audio and Video, Accessibility, and more. Now, click on the Notifications section. This is the most important part of the fix. Inside the notification settings, carefully review how Slack is set to notify you. First, check the notification schedule and make sure notifications are allowed at the time you expect to receive them. If notifications are paused or scheduled incorrectly, Slack will stay silent even when messages come in. Next, confirm what triggers notifications. Make sure notifications are set for all new messages or mentions, depending on your preference. If this is set to nothing, Slack will not notify you at all. Also, check the sound settings and ensure a notification sound is selected and not muted. Scroll down and double-check mobile and desktop notification behavior if you use Slack on multiple devices. Sometimes notifications are only allowed on one device, which can make it seem like they're not working. Adjust these settings based on how you normally use Slack. Once you've reviewed and updated your notification settings, close the Preferences window. Slack saves changes automatically, so there's no need to click a Save button. To test everything, ask someone to send you a message or mention you in a channel. You should now receive notifications as expected. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Slack notifications not working by adjusting the correct settings and preferences. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.